Tired of juggling a million tasks every time you hit publish on your WordPress blog? This video will show you how to automate your WordPress blog posts using the power of Zapier, so you can reclaim your time and focus on creating amazing content. First, make sure you have a Zapier account and the Zapier plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Log into your Zapier account and click the Create Zap button. This is where we'll build our automated workflow. Now, let's set up our trigger. Search for WordPress and select it as your trigger app. This tells Zapier to listen for events happening on your WordPress site. Choose New Post as the trigger event. This means our Zap will fire every time a new blog post is published on your WordPress site. Connect your WordPress account to Zapier by following the on-screen instructions. Next, let's add an action. This is what we want Zapier to do when a new post is published. For example, let's automatically share your blog post on Twitter. Search for Twitter and select it as your action app. Choose Create Tweet as the action event. Connect your Twitter account to Zapier. Now, customize your tweet by pulling in information from your new blog post. You can use the blog post title, URL, and even excerpts directly from WordPress to populate your tweet, creating an engaging message for your followers. Once you're happy with your action setup, turn on your Zap. From now on, every time you publish a new blog post, Zapier will automatically tweet about it. You can repeat these steps to create multiple Zaps for different actions, like sending email notifications, backing up your content, or posting to other social media platforms. Start automating your WordPress blog today and say goodbye to repetitive tasks.